Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, we are going to start with a human digestive system. Okay, clear? First of all, we will reading the conversation between two aliens. Okay, between one alien and the other one is in their friend, that is Robonum. Clear? So, what Drildak is saying, does it mean that whatever humans eat passes through their digestive system? So he's asking to the Robonum that whatever we eat that passes through our digestive system. So Robonum is saying yes, it is a long journey which may take several hours depending on what they eat. Okay, so yes, everything passes through our digestive system and it is a very long journey, or it may take several hours to digest, because it depends upon the food item that which which we are eating. Clear, everyone? So let's start with the human digestive system in detail. So human digestive system comprises of alimentary canal and associated glands. Okay, so first of all, it is you can say digestive system is comprises of two parts. One is alimentary canal, other one is associated glands. So alimentary canal means it is a long tube like structure that begins with the mouth and ends with the anus. You can say, look here, everyone, just wait. Yes, so this is our alimentary canal. The whole, this is our alimentary canal that starts, that begins from the mouth, begins with the mouth and ends with the anus. This whole long tube like structure is known as alimentary canal, and there are different parts that you can say that form a alimentary canal. So what are the different parts of the alimentary canal? So you can see here: mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. So all these parts together constitute alimentary canal. Clear, everyone? So alimentary canal is a long tube like structure that begins with mouth and ends with anus. Okay, and all these parts together constitute alimentary canal. So these are the different parts जो मिलके क्या बनाते हैं एलिमेंट्री कैनाल. क्लियर? माउथ, फेरेंक्स, ईसोफेगस, स्टमक, स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन, लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन, रेक्टम एंड एनस. So now next is, it has compartmentalized structures known as organs that perform specialized functions. So every organ that constitute alimentary canal have its own function. Like mouth has different function, esophagus has different function, stomach has different function, small intestine, large intestine, anus. So every organ that constitute this alimentary canal, each organ has its own special function. Clear, everyone? So these are the organs, you can say, okay, that constitute alimentary canal, that we have already discussed over here, that these are the organs that constitute this alimentary canal. Okay, same has written over here: mouth, food pipe or esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and ending with rectum and anus. Clear? Now the next one is associated glands. So associated glands consist of salivary glands, pancreas and liver that secretes digestive juices or enzymes for the digestion of the foods. These are the glands that are very necessary in the digestion, or that are very necessary in the digestive system, because they secrete some digestive juices, or they secrete some enzymes which acts upon the complex food and convert that food into simpler substances. Clear, everyone? Now first of all, we will start with the mouth, because our first organ of alimentary canal is mouth. So we will read all these organs one by one in detail. So first of all, we will start with mouth. Clear, everyone? So mouth and buccal cavity. Okay, as discussed earlier, the digestive system begins at an opening known as mouth. So we all know that first the digestive system always begins from mouth, because whatever we eat, firstly we put that substance or food item into our mouth. Okay, so we can say that our digestive system always start with mouth. Okay, which leads to a cavity known as buccal cavity or oral cavity. The process of nutrition begins when the food is taken into the mouth. This is known as ingestion. So ingestion we have discussed in the starting of the chapter, that what is ingestion, that when we take food inside our mouth, that process is known as ingestion, and our process of nutrition starts with the mouth. Clear everyone? Now next is buccal cavity. So buccal cavity has, there are different parts that includes buccal cavity, that is teeth, tongue and salivary glands that are present inside the buccal cavity, and these parts also helps in the digestion in the mouth. Clear everyone? So along with the mouth we will discuss these parts also one by one that are present in our buccal cavity. Clear? First teeth, then tongue and then salivary glands. Okay, so first of all we will start with teeth. So teeth, you all know, when we put our food item into our mouth, then teeth helps uh, in chewing, है ना, and then teeth also helps in breaking down that food into smaller pieces. Basically you can say that food is chewed and broken down into smaller pieces with the help of teeth only. ठीक है, if there will be no teeth, then how we can break down our food item, ठीक है, into smaller pieces into our mouth. So teeth are very you can say they are very a necessary part of our buccal cavity. So this is termed as chewing or mastication. When we you can say when we are converting our food item into smaller pieces with the help of teeth, then that process is known as chewing or mastication. Clear everyone? Now next is, therefore teeth start the process of mechanical digestion. Mechanical digestion क्या होता है बेटा? What do you mean by mechanical digestion? When we are breaking down the food into smaller pieces with physical activity, we are doing physical activity now with the help of teeth, we are breaking down the food into smaller particles, so that is known as mechanical digestion. And one more is there, chemical digestion. Chemical digestion क्या होता है? Chemical digestion when some you can say acids or some digestive juices attack on the food, ठीक है, to convert it into smaller or simpler substances, that is known as chemical digestion. When our food gets broken down with the help of acids or digestive juices, that is known as chemical digestion. And mechanical, when our food gets converted into smaller pieces with the help of physical activity, like with the help of our teeth, that is known as mechanical digestion. Clear everyone? Now next is okay, then again Drildeck is saying, if the function of teeth is to chew food, then why do humans have different types of teeth? क्लियर एवरीवन? कहते अगर सिर्फ टीथ का फंक्शन च्यू करना है, देन वाई वी हैव डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ टीथ. हमारे अलग अलग टीथ काइंड्स के टीथ प्रेजेंट होते हैं ना, लाइक इंसाइजर्स, कैनाइंस, प्रीमोलर्स, मोलर्स. ओके, so what Robonom is saying, then teeth have different shapes based on their functions. Clear? So the teeth that are present inside our mouth, they have different kinds of functions. Some teeth are for tearing, some teeth are used for grinding, some are for crushing. So every teeth has different function. Clear? So first of all let us learn about the structure of a tooth. So these are the elements of alimentary canal that we have already done. So this is the structure of a tooth. Clear everyone? So structure of tooth can be divided into two main regions. Okay, there are two main regions of our tooth. One is crown and other one is root. So crown, what is crown? Crown is the white, hard whitish part of tooth which is visible to us. विच इज़ विजिबल टू अस. जो ये वाइट वाइट टीथ होते हैं ना हमारे, जो विजिबल होते हैं, दिस इज़ नोन एज क्राउन. एंड दिस वाइट पार्ट, दिस क्राउन पार्ट इज़ कवर्ड विद वाइट कलर सब्सटेंस दैट इज नोन एज इनैमल. किसके साथ ये कवर होता है, किसके साथ ये प्रोटेक्टेड होता है, एनामल के साथ. क्लियर एवरीवन. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज द पार्ट दैट रिमेन्स इम्बेडेड इन द जॉज. जो इनसाइड द जॉज, जो जॉज के अंदर होता है पार्ट, दैट इज नोन एज रूट. एज यू कैन सी हेयर इन दिस पिक्चर, this is the crown part that is visible to us outside the jaw, and this is inside the jaw, and this part is known as root. Okay. Now the next is, there are two sets of teeth in the lifespan of human beings. Clear. Two sets होते हैं हमारे teeth के. One is milk teeth and second one is permanent teeth. Clear. So milk teeth, they are known as primary teeth, and they are temporary teeth. These are the temporary teeth, and these appear when the child is around 6 to 7 months of age. ठीक है. These usually appears in infants. बच्चों में ये होते हैं मिल्क टीथ, एंड दे अपीयर व्हेन द इन्फेंट्स आर 6 to 7 months of age. Clear. And these are temporary, and when they fall down, then they get replaced by the permanent teeth. And there are total 20 milk teeth in children. There are total 20 milk teeth in children. 10 in upper jaw and 10 in lower jaw. Okay, this is 10. Clear everyone. Now next is the second set of teeth is permanent teeth. ठीक है. These kinds of teeth are usually seen in adults, and the total number of permanent teeth in human adults is 32. Okay. And these permanent teeth start appearing when the children are around 6 to 7 years of age. ठीक है. 6 to 7 years की एज में क्या होता है, मिल्क टीथ निकलने लगते हैं, फॉल डाउन होने लगते हैं, और उनको कौन रिप्लेस करता है, परमानेंट टीथ. क्लियर. और एक ह्यूमन अडल्ट में कितने होते हैं, 32. 16 इन अपर जॉ एंड 16 इन लोअर जॉ. सो टोटल कितने हो गए, 32. क्लियर. और एंड द परमानेंट टीथ इफ़ दे वंस लॉस्ट, अगर हमारा परमानेंट टीथ किसी कारण ख़राब हो जाता है या टूट जाता है या निकल जाता है, देन इट विल नेवर बी रिप्लेस्ड. तो इसकी जगह कभी भी नया टीथ नहीं आता. क्लियर एवरीवन. सो वी मस्ट टेक केयर ऑफ आवर टीथ. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज now we will read the number of teeth and types of teeth. Okay. So the types of, there are 4 types of teeth in a human adult. That is 4 types of teeth: incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Clear. And number 4 in each jaw. Incisors 4 in each jaw, for each jaw. ठीक है. एक जॉ की बात कर रहे हैं हम. अगर दोनों जॉस की बात करें, देन देयर विल बी टोटल 4 इन अपर जॉ एंड 4 इन लोअर जॉ. क्लियर. देन देयर विल बी टोटल 8 incisors. Canines 2 in each jaw, 2 in lower jaw, 2 in upper jaw. Clear. Premolars 4 in each jaw, for 4 in lower and 4 in upper jaw. Molars 6 in each jaw. Each jaw means 6 in lower jaw, 6 in upper jaw. Clear everyone. So total there are 32 teeth. And structure, what is their structure? Incisors are chisel shaped, pointed, flat topped. Clear. इनका जो टॉप है वो फ्लैट होता है. Canines are pointed. Clear. And what are their functions? The function of incisors is cutting and biting. ठीक है. Canines for piercing and tearing, grinding. Premolars are used for grind करने के लिए. Molars for to crush anything. Clear. So these are the functions of these 4 kinds of teeth, as you can see here also in this picture. Yes, these 4 are incisors. So they have shown us only one jaw. ऐसे ही एक ऊपर की तरफ jaw होता है ना, so they have only shown us one jaw. So 4 incisors are there. ठीक है. 2 canines, one canine is this and other one canine is this. Clear. Next is premolars. Premolars 2 here and 2 here, total 4 in each jaw. Molars 3 here and 3 in this side. तो total कितने हो गए, 6. ठीक है. And total 12 in both the jaws. Okay everyone. So in this way these are the 4 different kinds of teeth, their shape, their number and their function. Okay. So this was the first part that was present in our buccal cavity. We are talking about here, we have started from mouth now. First part of digestive system is mouth, then along with mouth there is buccal cavity. So we are talking about the parts of the buccal cavity. First was teeth, clear. Now second is tongue. This is the second part of buccal cavity, clear. So before starting tongue, we are going to discuss for the oral hygiene. Okay, so oral hygiene is very very important for healthy teeth and gums, clear. We must keep our teeth clean and healthy, because if our permanent teeth once lost due to any reason, due to cavity, due to tooth decay, then it will be never replaced, then there will be no new teeth, clear everyone. So maintaining oral hygiene is very very important. So how we can maintain oral hygiene? So there are different ways to maintain oral hygiene. First is rinse your mouth thoroughly after every meal. Okay, like after breakfast, after lunch, after dinner, and we should avoid eating sweets. नेक्स्ट इज ब्रश योर टीथ एटलीस्ट ट्वाइस अ डे. ठीक है, हमें दिन में 2 बार ब्रश करना चाहिए, क्लियर, इन द मॉर्निंग एंड ड्यूरिंग द नाइट टाइम. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज अवॉइड ड्रिंकिंग टी, कॉफ़ी, एरेटेड ड्रिंक्स फ्रीक्वेंटली. हमें ज़्यादा मतलब फ्रीक्वेंटली मतलब कि टाइम गैप जिस चीज़ में नहीं ज़्यादा होता, ठीक है, कि हमें ज़्यादा ये चीज़ें नहीं पीनी चाहिए, टी, कॉफ़ी, एरेटेड ड्रिंक्स, बिकॉज इट लीड्स टू टूथ डिके, क्लियर. विजिट द डेंटिस्ट एट लीस्ट वंस इन 6 months. 6 महीने में एक बार डेंटिस्ट के पास ज़रूर जाना चाहिए, क्लियर. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज टूथ डिके. कहते हैं हमारा जो टूथ है वो कैसे ख़राब होता है. So the food left in the mouth gets broken down by the bacteria in the mouth. खाना खाने के बाद कई बार क्या होता है, हमारे माउथ में कुछ फूड लेफ्ट ओवर रह जाता है ना, अगर हम उसको क्लीन नहीं करें, अगर हम माउथ को रिंस नहीं करें, तो कुछ फूड पार्टिकल्स दैट गेट स्टक इन द टीथ, देन दोज फूड पार्टिकल्स गेट ब्रोकन डाउन बाय द बैक्टीरिया in the mouth. ठीक है, that results in the production of acid. When they are breaking down our food particles in the mouth, then they produce some kind of acid which eats away the tooth and results in cavity, clear. तो उसके कारण क्या होता है, हमारे टूथ में क्या बन जाती है, कैविटी. दिस इज ब्लैक कलर, दिस ब्लैक कलर्स इज कैविटी, क्लियर, एंड हैंस कॉजेज टूथ डिके. और हमारा जो टूथ है, टीथ है, वो क्या हो जाते हैं, ख़राब हो जाते हैं, क्लियर. इन सीवियर केसेस, अगर कहता है बहुत ही ज़्यादा हमारे टीथ ख़राब हो जाएं, देन वन मे सफ़र फ्रॉम परसिस्टेंट टूथ एक एंड टूथ लॉस, क्लियर. सो कहते अगर बहुत ही ज़्यादा हमारे टीथ ख़राब हो जाएं तो हमें लगातार कॉन्टीन्यूसली पेन रहता है टीथ में, और हमारा जो टीथ है वो ख़त्म भी हो सकता है, क्लियर. वी कैन लॉस्ट आवर टीथ ऑल्सो. So we must take care, or we must maintain oral hygiene of our teeth. Now the second part of buccal cavity, that is tongue. Okay, now again drill duck is asking question to Robonum. Now I understand the role of teeth in digestive process, but how is the tongue important? Now he is asking about the tongue. कहते टंग क्यों ज़रूरी है. सो रोबोनम इज सेइंग टंग इज़ एसेंशियल टू बी एबल टू ईट एंड स्पीक. कहता जो टंग है वो खाना खाने में भी हेल्प करती है, इट ऑल्सो हेल्प्स इन स्पीकिंग. सो हाउ इट इज़ हेल्पिंग इन दैट वी आर गोइंग टू रीड. सो सेकेंड इज टंग. सो टंग, you all know, tongue is very important organ that plays an essential role in the process of digestion. How it plays essential role? Because you can say it helps, first of all it helps to detect the different tastes of food, clear. अगर हम मैगी खाते हैं तो हमें कितना अच्छा टेस्ट आता है ना. अगर हम मेडिसिन लेते हैं तो हम कितना छी करते हैं उसको कि कितनी कड़वी है. हाउ वी गेट टू नो द डिफरेंट टेस्टेज, हमें कैसे पता चलता है दैट मेडिसिन इज़ वेरी बिटर, है ना, मैगी इज़ वेरी टेस्टी, बर्फ़ी इज़ वेरी स्वीट. हाउ स्वीट्स आर वेरी, जो हम मिठाइयाँ खाते हैं वो हमें बहुत अच्छी लगती हैं, गोलगप्पे खाते हैं हमें मज़ा आ जाता है ना. सो how we detect the different tastes with the help of tongue, because taste buds are there that are present on the tongue. टेस्ट बर्ड्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं बेटा टंग के ऊपर, दैट हेल्प्स अस टू डिटेक्ट the you can say different tastes of food, like we can detect sweet taste, we can detect sour खट्टा, ठीक है, we can detect salty taste, and we can also detect bitter taste. Clear everyone? So tongue helps us in detecting the different tastes. Now next is it also, now how it helps to eat करने में कैसे हेल्प करती है, how it helps to roll the food or swelling the food down into the esophagus. So because it mixes the food with saliva, the saliva that is present in our inside our mouth, so tongue helps to mix the food with the saliva, ठीक है, and then it pushes down our food, ठीक है, into the esophagus for swelling. So in this way the food helps us to eat. And third, the very important part in which our tongue helps, so that is in speaking or in talking. If there will be no tongue, then we are not able to speak or talk. Clear everyone? So tongue is very essential part or very important organ of our buccal cavity. Now the next one is, again drill deck is asking something. Okay, what he is asking, why does human mouth water at the sight, smell or thought of a food? ठीक है, then Robonom is saying watering of mouth is nothing but a preparation for the process of digestion. Clear? ओके, सो कहता है जब हमें कोई अच्छा खाना देख लेते हैं, मान लो आज मम्मा इज़ मेकिंग मैगी फॉर अस, तो हमारे माउथ में क्या होता है, आवर माउथ स्टार्ट्स वाटरिंग, है ना, मुंह में पानी आने लगता है. वाई, हाउ इट हैपन्स, हमने बाहर से तो कोई पानी पिया नहीं, ठीक है, बाहर से तो हमारे माउथ के अंदर कोई पानी डाल नहीं रहा कि माउथ में माउथ स्टार्ट्स वाटरिंग. हाउ इट हैपन्स, दैट हैपन्स विद द हेल्प ऑफ स्लेवरी ग्लैंड्स. क्लियर? जो हमारे माउथ में पानी आ रहा है, जो इससे हमारा माउथ वेट हो रहा है, दैट इज़ एक्चुअली ए सलाइवा. वो क्या है, सलाइवा सक्रीट हो रहा है हमारे माउथ में. एंड हाउ इट इज़ सक्रीटिंग, विद द हेल्प ऑफ स्लेवरी ग्लैंड्स. सो स्लेवरी ग्लैंड्स you have already we have already seen in this diagram. So these are the salivary glands, these yellow colored salivary glands are present in the buccal cavity na. So these are the salivary glands. Clear everyone? Okay, so what is the function of salivary glands? To produce saliva in our mouth. Clear? So saliva is secreted by sac-like structures known as salivary glands located in the different regions of the buccal cavity. Okay, then what is the function of saliva? Salivary glands का क्या function था, saliva को secrete करना. Now what is the function of saliva? First function is that it keeps our mouth wet. ठीक है, ये हमारे माउथ को ड्राई नहीं होने देता. क्लियर? सेकेंड इज इट मेक्स आवर फूड लुब्रिकेटेड. लुब्रिकेटेड मीन्स कि हमारे फूड को ये सॉफ्ट कर देता है. क्लियर? सो दैट वी कैन ईजली swallowed our food through the esophagus to the stomach. ठीक है, ताकि हम अपने फूड को ईजिली अंदर स्वेलो कर सके. ठीक है, और वो ईजिली पास हो सके थ्रू द ईसोफेगस. अगर ड्राई फूड होगा देन हाउ इट विल ट्रेवल थ्रू द ईसोफेगस. ओके, सो ड्यू टू द लुब्रिकेशन of the food, our food passes smoothly through the esophagus to the stomach. Clear? Because this saliva gets mixed with the food. Okay everyone, so this is the function of salivary glands. Now the next one is food pipe. The next, now we have finished with the you can say with the parts of the buccal cavity. So these were the three parts of the buccal cavity. We have discussed about the teeth also, tongue also, and salivary glands also. Okay, now we will start with the second organ of the alimentary canal, that is esophagus or food pipe. Clear everyone? We have done with our mouth. We have done with our mouth and buccal cavity. Now we will start with esophagus in the next video. Okay, so Please read this topic at home, everyone. This is very very interesting and very very easy. It's very easy topic. Please read once, otherwise you will not understand at home also. Please read once after attending the online classes. Those who are not attending the online classes, they can watch these videos and revise at home. Now we will meet in the next video. Till the time, bye bye everyone.